All right, man, that was some drilling. My goal here is just to move the tire machine, the manual tire machine. I reused one of the old holes, and you can see the other one's to the right. I had it mounted over here originally, which worked fine until we built this room in the corner. And now there's no room to use it. So basically I just want to scoot this out. And let's see if I can get all the bolts in. I did have to enlarge a couple of holes originally because the holes are not going to be 100% perfect. I marked them with a pencil. And as anticipated, this one is way off, maybe half a hole. About the same over here. So I didn't mark the holes very well. But I can fix it with this. All right, so basically what I did is just enlarge these holes. There's a metal splinter. Those hurt. I did all four. I had already drilled those out some before, but the step bit really does a good job and does it very quickly. So we should be able to line up all the holes. If I had a good cameraman. All right, one left to get started. Here are the old holes from the previous mount. All right. All right. We are ready to use it.